Hi, welcome to another edition of Micro Lessons in Microblasting. Today, we're going to talk about the abrasive as it's coming out of the nozzle and why you can't see it. We get a lot of questions from customers as to why when they first step on the foot switch, they see abrasive and then it goes away. And is there a problem with the machine? Are they not getting enough abrasive out of it? What's going on? So today, we're going to explain a little bit of the background of what happens with the fluid dynamics of the abrasive particles. As a comparison, think about the road runner from the old cartoons. When he was running by, he was moving so fast that you couldn't see him, and he'd sneak up on the coyote and beep beep at him just to let him know he was there. Well, the abrasive in our machines is very similar to that. When you first step on the foot switch, it's moving slowly. The abrasive in the air mixture hasn't fully come up to speed. When it does, then it's traveling at about 150 to 200 meters per second and no longer visible. So when you step on the foot switch, you get that first momentary slow velocity stream. Then as the air molecules continue to accelerate the abrasive, they're moving faster, doing more work with less effort, and you have an efficient airstream. If you do see abrasive coming out of the nozzle on a regular basis, it may mean that your process isn't optimized. If you would like help with that, please contact one of our applications engineers, and we'd be happy to walk you through the steps to make your process as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching.